Now, we have breaking news coming in at the moment. The Shiv Sena faction led by Uddhav Thackeray has approached the Supreme Court against Maharashtra's governor's decision to invite Eknath Shinde to form government in the state of Maharashtra. To get more details, we have my colleague Arvind joining us. Arvind, what details do you have for us?
Thackeray campus again moved Supreme Court now, this time challenging the governor Koshyari's decision to invite Eknath Shinde to form the government. So they have challenged the governor's very decision to invite Eknath Shinde to form the government. That means they are also challenging the government, Eknath Shinde's new government, wherein he has formed the government with the support of BJP. So that has been challenged by Uddhav Thackeray camp in Supreme Court, and this petition has been filed by senior Shiv Sena leader Subhash Desai. And not just this decision of governor that they have challenged, they have also challenged the assembly proceedings dated June 3rd and June 4th, wherein on June 3rd, a new speaker to Maharashtra Assembly was elected inside the Assembly. That has also been challenged by Uddhav Thackeray camp. And also June 4th floor test, wherein Eknath Shinde camp, Eknath Shinde, with the support of BJP, managed to get the majority on the floor of the House. Even that has also been challenged by Uddhav Thackeray camp. So three very important decisions have been challenged by Uddhav Thackeray camp. One, the governor's decision to invite Eknath Shinde to form the government. Second one, the election of speaker in Maharashtra Assembly. The third one is the floor test. So all the three important developments that took place in Maharashtra in the recent days have been challenged by Uddhav Thackeray camp. In fact, the very main ground on which they have challenged all these three decisions are that the Eknath Shinde and 15 other rebel MLAs are challenging, are facing disqualification proceedings, and that's why, because the disqualification proceedings are pending against them, and that's why the governor could not have invited Eknath Shinde to form the government, because he is not the real Shiv Sena according to the petition that has been filed by Subhash Desai. That's the first ground. And the second argument is that because all the 16 rebel MLAs are facing disqualification, and if the court finds that they have to be disqualified, then they would be disqualified from the date of June 22nd. In that case, all these rebel MLAs, including Eknath Shinde, could not have attended the assembly proceedings that would be on June 3rd, wherein a new assembly speaker was elected, wherein all these 16 rebel MLAs also voted in that proceeding, and also June 4th floor test. So that's why, keeping that as a main ground, Uddhav Thackeray camp has filed a fresh petition challenging all these three decisions. So in all likelihood, Supreme Court will be hearing all the petitions on July 11th, wherein the first petition that was filed by Eknath Shinde will be heard by the Supreme Court.